It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 16th of March. I'm Michael Groff. The week starts out dry with temperatures near seasonal averages, but here comes another Pacific weather system moving down the California coast, increasing clouds by tomorrow, and the chance of precipitation returns Tuesday night through Thursday, and maybe some more rain later on this weekend. Yes, the wave train continues. All right, looking at the almanac from yesterday, 77 degrees the afternoon high, 53 the morning low. That's exactly where we should be for this time of year. And yeah, look at that. We're almost an inch above normal on precipitation for the year, and we're going to be adding to that later this week. Outside now, here at 9 a.m., we've got mostly sunny skies sitting at 57 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 46, humidity 67%, the winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning generally in the 50s and low 60s, even a couple of mid-60s on the board as we begin to warm up. The upper air look this morning shows that upper low now just off the Oregon and Northern California coast. That's descending our direction, and we'll start to feel the effects of that by tomorrow. The watch warning map is pretty quiet. Some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings over the Sierra. Otherwise, not much happening. Convective outlook for today, a little marginal risk over parts of the Rio Grande, otherwise no severe weather. And precipitation valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in Phoenix, generally between about 1/2 and 1 inch. Somewhat heavier totals for the favored upslope areas. And we'll take a look at this very wet weather pattern now as we check out the models. Have a look. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper low moving down the west coast, a broad southwesterly flow out ahead of it. So down at the surface today, some high clouds around, but still we'll see more sun than clouds. High temperatures mostly in the mid and upper 70s. Tonight, mostly clear, lows in the upper 40s to mid 50s. Tomorrow, an increase in clouds through the day. Breeze is picking up too as that low gets a little bit closer. High temperatures will cool off just a bit. Highs low to mid 70s. Tuesday night and Wednesday, here comes the rain, increasing. Tuesday night will introduce a chance of showers. Wednesday, widespread rain by mid to late morning, accompanied by some scattered thunderstorms, particularly over southeast California and southwest Arizona, but some of those will make their way in here. Most of the thunderstorms will just serve to enhance precipitation, but a couple of them could get on the strong side, producing some hail and gusty winds. And this system will become negative tilt as it moves into southern Arizona. So we'll have to watch that for the potential of those strong storms. If we get any sun, that might help to destabilize the atmosphere. This is a forecast sounding coming off of the 3-kilometer NAM at 2 o'clock on Wednesday afternoon. And yeah, it shows several hundred joules per kilogram worth of CAPE and some pretty steep mid-level lapse rates. And that's a concern for the possibility of hail. The bulk shear picks up to around 50 knots. And you do see the possible hazard type there is marginal severe. I really don't think we're going to see severe storms, but given the cold air aloft, just can't rule it out completely. So we'll watch for it. All right, otherwise, we'll see a decrease in temperatures for sure. Highs will be in the upper 50s and low 60s on Wednesday. Wednesday night, the rain continues, and Thursday, this system will be moving east, but we'll still have a chance of rain through the day, especially in the morning hours. High temperatures will still be in the upper 50s and low 60s. Now on Friday, that moves out of here. We'll be between systems at that point, partly sunny skies, high temperatures back in the mid and upper 60s. Saturday, here comes another system moving down the west coast. High temperatures should be back in the low, maybe even middle 70s at that point. And then Sunday, here comes another system moving in here. Not nearly as cold nor as wet as previous systems. Still a chance of rain and high temperatures back in the upper 60s and low 70s. Okay, here we go to a week from today. This is Monday, the 23rd. Kind of a fast-moving zonal flow as we are once again between weather systems. Partly sunny skies, high temperatures, probably a little bit below average. Let's go out 10 days. This is the end of the forecast period, Wednesday, the 25th. And look at that. Here comes another system moving down the west coast, a southwesterly flow increasing and unsettled conditions. And look, there's another wave up there out over the northeast Pacific undercutting the broad ridge that's just been sitting out there southwest of the Aleutian Islands over the North Pacific and up into the Bering Strait. That has not really moved for the last month, and that's why we've had this unsettled weather pattern, and that is probably going to continue for the foreseeable future. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models. Yes, we'll be cooling it off. Highs, it's got us in the low 60s both Wednesday and Thursday. We might even be just a little bit cooler than that, and for the most part, highs are going to stay at or below average through the forecast period. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. And you guys have yourselves a great Monday.